Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. You guys have been waiting for this video for such a long time, and today, alhamdulillah, it's finally coming true. I'm gonna be buying my dream car at the age of 20. Who would have thought? But I'm gonna be buying something special, and I want you guys to watch this video until the end to find out what I'm gonna buy. So let's go inside VIP Motors, check out some cars, and let's see what I'm gonna choose. Alright guys, I'm inside VIP Motors and the first thing that I see is this beautiful Bugatti, boys. Do you guys think I'm gonna get this? Not really, but within 5 years, inshallah. Trust me, boys. One of my cars is gonna be this Bugatti right here, inshallah. But nonetheless, I'm gonna show you guys something special. There's actually 3 to 4 cars that I have in mind, and today, inshallah, one of them is gonna be mine. I'm gonna be signing the papers, everything. So let's go check out the cars and let me show you guys which one I actually have in mind. So let's do it. Alright guys, the first option that we have is actually a Brabus G-Wagon. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's actually a Brabus? Now, the reason why I would choose a Brabus is because it's actually a good family car, very comfortable, and also very reliable, if I'm being honest. And also, it looks very good on the road. So, what do you guys think of these Brabuses? Like, Brabus is nice and all, but I think it's more of a sporty car and stuff like that. So, let's check out the second option that we have. The second option is actually a Range Rover. Now, the reason why I would choose a Range Rover is because, again, it's a very nice car, very family friendly, and it also makes you look super nice while you're driving it on the road. But I feel like there is something nicer than Range Rover, which I'm going to show you guys. And I think the third and the fourth option is something that I would be debating over. So I want you guys to tell me which one do you guys think I'm gonna get. The third option, which I might go with, is actually this Bentley. Now, you guys already seen my old video. I said if I had 10,000 likes, I'm gonna get a Bentley. But that video did not hit 10k likes. And of course, it's not about the likes anymore. It's about the fact that Bentley is such a super friendly, nice car. Look at the interior, boys. Allahumma barik. Look at how beautiful this is, boys. Even the back and everything. It's actually super pretty. Do you guys think it's a Bentley? Let me show you guys the last option. Let me see if you guys think the last option is something that, you guys would prefer. Now, as you guys know me, I like super friendly cars, but I feel like this GT would be an option. What do you guys think? Now I'm playing, boys. It's actually this Rolls Royce that I have in mind. This Cullinan. But I feel like the Cullinan is a bit like way too much for me, honestly. So I might go with a Rolls Royce, but on a lower end, in a way that I might get a Ghost or a Phantom. But a Phantom is like you're supposed to be driven in, or you could get like a Ghost that you could possibly drive and be driven in. And it's a super friendly car, super nice. Finally, decision time. So now we're gonna have our manager come here, guide us through the cars. Whatever car suits my budget, I'm gonna straight up cash it out, show you guys the car by today itself. Currently, it's around 3 p.m. and by 4 p.m. I think I'm gonna be done with the car and show you guys the car by around like 4:30 p.m. So this is one of the biggest achievements of my life, and the reason why I want to even get a car is because I want to feel that I have achieved something, because it's end of the year 2023 and I want to have something nice for 2024. And I also want to have something that could potentially grow my business in so many different ways, of course. And I feel like the car is not the best decision to make right now, but I feel like I just want it, because as a kid I had a dream of making enough money to buy a Rolls Royce, and now that I have enough money to even buy a Rolls Royce and potentially do an investment into a real estate, I think it's the perfect time to do it, boys. So right now is the decision time. So let's go check out some cars, sign the papers, and get the car out, boys. So let's do it. Boys, so many beautiful cars, and alhamdulillah, I finally made up my mind. Now, I've been to so many different garages, so many different places, VIP Motors, A1 Motors, and now, alhamdulillah, I finally made my decision, and it's something that's gonna surprise each one of you guys. But look at how beautiful this showroom is. Allahumma barik. But yeah, right now, I'm gonna go drive somewhere, sign the papers, and get the car, and show you guys what car I got. Finally, at the age of 20, seems unbelievable, but alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I've made it, and just believe in yourself that you guys can do it too. Alright boys, the day has finally come. Today my dream has come true. I was dreaming of having my car over here parked, and today I have my car parked here. But I want you guys to keep guessing which car it is, because one of these cars is actually mine, and I'm slowly gonna walk, and I want you guys to keep guessing, which car could be mine. It's a dream come true. It's unbelievable, but subhanallah, it's Allah's blessing, alhamdulillah. God blessed with my dream car at this age, and right now we're finally revealing it to you guys. And yeah, boys, you guys could keep a guess which car would it be in this whole line. Would it be this Rolls Royce coming over? That's the thing, you guys don't know yet. So right now, I'm about to go to my car and reveal it to you guys, which is kind of crazy, but at the age of 20, me having a car like this seems impossible and a dream, you know? But alhamdulillah, I've made it through. I've got myself this Rolls Royce, this beauty right here, boys, alhamdulillah. This is officially my car, boys. Alhamdulillah, at the age of 20, I got myself a Rolls Royce Ghost. Wallahi, I used to come here, see all of these cars, and now my car is parked here. Am I living the dream? I used to see all of these cars and I used to be like, bro, one day am I gonna have my car here? And this beauty is here, bro. I just want to tell you guys that if you want to work hard, just believe in yourself, you can achieve it too. And if you want to learn how exactly I got this car, join the free Discord in my bio. I know it sounds like a dream, it sounds unbelievable, it sounds crazy, it sounds like it's rented, but it's not. It's all under my name. We're gonna go take it on a ride and I'm gonna show you guys more about the car. But I just want to tell you guys that if you have a dream, and if it's a Rolls Royce or a G-Wagon or this car, you know, McLaren, I promise you guys can do it too. Just keep working hard, keep hustling. And if I could get myself a Rolls Royce, this beauty right here, this seems unbelievable, bro. This seems like a dream, bro. Look at the logo. Boys, even the logo is blacked out. Look at this, bro. Allahumma barik. I promise, I swear, I used to see the cars and I used to be like, am I gonna have my car one day here? You know, like thinking about like, am I gonna be that lucky or like, you know, am I gonna achieve it? And it happened too quick, bro. At the age of 20 in a Rolls Royce, like, does that make sense? I don't know, but look at the view, boys. Bro, this is the dream, bro. Alhamdulillah, bro. All praise to the Most High, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, boys. If you're not working hard, wallahi, this is a sign for you to work hard. Because if me, Ehsanszz, at the age of 20, could get a car like that, bro, you guys can do it too. And there's nothing impossible, boys. And if you guys are curious how I got this car, I'm gonna make an in-detail video about how I did it. But if you guys want to get started with dropshipping and e-commerce, exactly how I did it, you know, the link is down in the description. There's a free Discord that you guys can join right now, completely for free, and get a guide through what e-commerce and dropshipping is. So we're gonna go take it on a ride, inshallah. But first, we're gonna go to Atlantis, you know, have a good time. And inshallah, I'm gonna see you guys after we take the car out. So let's do it. Okay, boys, we're inside the Rolls Royce right now. We have taken the car out and we're gonna go on a ride. But before doing that, let me show you guys the interior and the exterior of the car. This is what the interior looks like. Allahumma barik. It's so beautiful. On the exterior, look at that, bro. Look at the back seat. Let me go in the back seat. Let's go in the back seat, bro. So if I show you guys the interior and especially the back seat, you guys might be surprised because look at the amount of legroom that I have. It's literally like a bus. And if I had to close the door, like, nah, I don't have to do that stuff, bro. I just have to literally press it one time and it's good to go. Alright, boys, apart from that, of course, there is a TV. I can watch anything on it. You can just turn it on from here if I want to. If I want to eat food, I could literally bring out my lunch table. Look at this, boys. There's a table. I don't know how this moves and stuff, but wow, this is actually crazy, boys. Now I can easily eat here, do whatever, you know. Close that off, and look at the amount of space that I have. I could literally, like, you know, sleep here if I don't have a house. But anyways, boys, this is the back seat. Allahumma barik. The front, as you guys can see, is so beautiful. Look at the interior and exterior. And yeah, boys, this is how the doors open. Of course, this for the people who's not familiar with the Rolls Royces. It's actually like way different than any other car, of course. And right now we're gonna go on a ride, so let's do it. Alright, boys, right now we have just taken out the car, and as you guys can see, the weather, everything is so beautiful. Allahumma barik. A dream come true for me to have this car. I've already driven it a little bit, so I know exactly how it feels. and it feels amazing. And of course, you guys might be curious, like, how did this guy at 20 years old get a Rolls Royce, not a Range Rover, not something else? You know, how did he get a Rolls Royce? It's actually quite simple, boys. I do dropshipping for like the past 3 years, and alhamdulillah, I've been saving up. I've been doing, you know, different side hustles, and alhamdulillah, finally it paid off. That's the Atlantis. That's exactly where we came from, boys. If you guys remember it, that's how, you know, the building looks crazy. The sunset is different, and this car, when you drive it, bro, you feel like a, you know, special, you know, because everyone has their eyes on the car. The color is so beautiful. Even that car is matte black, you know. Even that car looks beautiful. The Range Rover, even this car is matte black. And yeah, this car, bro, it's a dream come true. And you know, you guys might be thinking like, will he ever give us the way or the sauce? 110%, boys. I'm gonna make a special video exactly how I bought this car, you know, how I got it, how much I made to buy this car. Everything will be in detail in that video. I'll probably be in the back seat, you know, someone's recording from here, and I'm just gonna talk from the back because, you know, it's gonna be special. I'm gonna have a driver, maybe, maybe not. I actually love driving this car, but just in case if I want to, of course, I can easily have a driver. Allahumma barak, boys. It gets eyes, it gets attention, subhanallah. May Allah protect us from nazar. And if you guys are watching this, please make sure you say mashallah, because I don't want no negativity on this car. You know, this car is going to be special. May Allah protect me and this car and my family and everyone around me, inshallah. Ameen ya Rabb. Make sure you guys say ameen. And yeah, boys, just a quick, you know, it's sort of a vlog of the way that I'm feeling. I know when I was gonna be like 30 and having like $80 million net worth or something, maybe I wouldn't feel this special when I got right now at the age of 20. Because boys, if you have a dream car and if you have the money for it, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, or maybe even 1 time, bro, even 1 time, and a bit of saving, go for it. Literally go for it. Live the life you want to live. You already have a cash flow. You're already living your life. Why not go for it, you know? That's what exactly I did, and alhamdulillah, I'm truly blessed for it, and I'm super happy that I took that decision that I did, you know? A lot of things coming up, boys, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification. And yeah, just a quick, you know, view of the back. Look how beautiful everything looks in this car, especially. Look at how beautiful the Dubai looks, you know? This is the city where dreams come true. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, boys. If you still want to learn how I did it and how I made it possible and the steps that I took, make sure you guys check out the free Discord in the description, boys. It's gonna give you guys a complete guide through, so you guys do not miss out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and Assalamu alaikum.